and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox the Goddess Provisions for October. Goddess Provision is a monthly subscription of like occult and self-care items that you can get, and it's $30 a month. I don't remember. I really don't remember. But without further ado, let's pop into the box. Now, they put the shipping label right on the top, and it's a rather small box. So, I am going to just open it straight up. And this is what we get in the very front. And it tells us of our items over here. And the first item that I see in here is this lovely tied item with a woman and a moon on it. I do like that, but I don't know what it is. Ooh, it's a nice sized tote. I do like that. I haven't gotten a tote from them, so that's neat to be able to have like a nice big tote. The next item that's down here is made in Brazil. Something was. Ooh, that's pretty. It's the stone that you get. It's like part of a geode. It's like really pretty. I don't know the stone offhand, so we'll put it back in this little bag, and let me look at the little thing, and I will tell you what kind of stone it is. And it is a black kyanite. So there's that. The next item I have in here says Lotus Flower Shadow Caster. Oh, it's cute. It's one of those little things. You put the, like the little tea leaf in here. Tea candle, and you stick this in, and when it burns, it casts shadows on the wall. That is so cute. I do like that. I like getting small little trinket items like this. So there's that. The next item says Din candles, and oh look, it's like an amethyst geode, like a candle. That's neat. But then, would I burn it? I feel like I would never burn that, because I wouldn't want to destroy it. It just would be like those pretty soaps that you leave by the sink, so that your people that visit think, oh, she's got excellent taste. The next item is a chocolate bar. It says coffee crunch and cardamom. Chocolate that deserves you back. 73% slow roasted cocoa in it. And then the last item says ink box. Oh, it's a tattoo. Like one of those little small tattoos. More like a henna tattoo. So you peel and you put on it, and it will darken in the first 30, it will only last a couple weeks. So it's like the henna. So it's a small little henna tattoo. That's neat. And that is my box for this month. So that's kind of a nice item. I do like the tote. I think that is a neat thing. If you ever like any box that I unbox and you think, oh, that's a really cool box, the links for it are always in the description. I love coming down and being a hot mess for you guys. I really need to film some gaming videos. I've been a little behind, but it's okay. It's okay. We're all okay. We're doing fine. And I still have a couple more I need to film today, so I will tell you now that I heart your face, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.